Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, ngayong araw, mag-react tayo sa kanta ni Wyan, man. Performs si Lods na Bahala sa live on Wish 107.5 Bus, no? I was actually planning to, nakakalimutan ko lang na mag-react dun sa, album ba niya yun, or EP na Backshots, no? Nakinig tayo sa mga kanta niya doon, yung Man in the Mirror, which is a fucking banger of a song. But I mean, we have si Lods na Bahala, no? So Wish, bago pa tayo makapag-react sa album niya, no? But yeah, I mean, without no further ado, man, let's get it.
Wish 107.5.
Wake up 2 p.m. Talk to my mother in the living room bago mag-adventure. Saan ka na naman pupunta? Papaldo lang po, mama. Hindi naman tropa ang Yamaha. Pagbalik, wasak yung fender. After ko magalit, ha ha ha. Buti naman buhay ka pa. Lagi may nakaload yan si Lodi.
Pag tunay na tropa, man, tunay na tropa talaga. Normal lang na magalit, pero tropa.
Buti naman buhay ka pa. Lagi may nakaload yan si Lodi. Low-key living the dream. Streams pay the bills. Jesus take the wheel. Wag i-cash out, crash out. Real.
Ang sabi niya? Siya nakakakain ko lang kasi nadidigay pa ako.
The dreams, dreams pay the bills. Jesus take the wheel.
Ayun, dreams pay the bills, Jesus take the wheel.
Wag i-cash out, crash out. Real. If your love ain't real, no deal. Commute Montero o Mio. My ride or die, baby, love me for me.
Ang ganda nung nirep niya yung Mio na motor sa Love Me For Me, yo. Yung may adlib siya na, oh, love me for me, yo. Yan.
Baby, love me for me. Paano nangyari yun? Ginaganto lang yan ni Lods. I got the same friends since 2013. I don't live with my mama lives with me.
That's a fucking flex, man. That's a fucking flex. Sa panahon ngayon, lalo sa Pilipinas, no, sobrang hirap ng Pilipinas and sobrang daming ano pa rin, no, walang trabaho, nakatira sa magulang. That's a fucking flex para sabihin mong hindi ako nakatira sa magulang ko. Yung magulang ko yung nakatira na sa akin, man. And I have the same friends since 2013, man. You know, that's the real ones, man.
Live with my mama lives with me. I like that I don't look as rich as I be. People I meet always ask for advice. I'll teach you how to doogie, yeah, my moves are nice. Sorry, I can't teach you how to live life.
I can teach you how to doggy. You know, you like the fucking dance step, man. But at the same time, I mean, parang gusto sabihin that I can teach you how to doggy. Like I can teach you like all of this, you know, this shit na pinagagawa natin, like mga pinagagawa ko, no? Pero I cannot teach you how to live your life, man. Nice.
Sorry, I can't teach you how to live life. So don't touch mine, and we'll be fine. Till the end of time.
Oh, 10. Wyan's vocal, man. Wyan's vocal. Talaga si Wyan ngayon sa, no? Buti lang nasa Wish siya sa ngayon, no? Buti lang mas nare-recognize siya ng mainstream, no? Kasi karapat-dapat talaga.
So don't touch mine, and we'll be fine. I'ma do my thing till the end of time. Got home to AM, hilamos, tapos na sarili ko sa bedroom. Tropa nakitulog amoy venue, kadikit parang ekop sa cartoons. Makulit pero di na mga bata, pag humit-hit alog ang baga. Walang drama, iiyak lang kakatawa, ganda ng tama. Solo mission talaga, ba't ang daming kasama? Share nyo yung album, para yung mama. Pag merong kaganapan, si Lord na bahala.
Share nyo yung album. Sorry na, papakinggan ko ng buo. Wait lang.
Huwag kang mahiya ka, tropa ko si Wayan.
What the hell?
Nung di pa siya kilala, o diba at sarap iyaban. Paano nangyari yun? Ginaganto lang yan ni Lords. I got the same friends since 2013. I don't live with my mama lives with me.
That's a really fucking flex, man. Don't know about you guys, but that's a fucking flex talaga. And the way na sinasabi niya yun, no? I got the same friends since 2013. I don't live with my mama lives with me. Like that's just a fucking flex, no? Having like real ones, no? Yung mga day one mo na mga tropa. And at the same time, your mom living with you, like nakatira siya sa'yo, no? Hindi ikaw yung nakikitira sa kanya. Like, man, panalo ka sa buhay.
Live with my mama lives with me. I got the same friends since 2013. I don't live with my mama lives with me. I like that I don't look as rich as I be. People I meet always ask for advice. I'll teach you how to doggy and my moves are nice. Sorry, I can't teach you how to live your life. So don't despise, and we'll be fine. I'ma do my thing till the end of time.
Wish
Back shots.
Wish.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
107.5.
Back shots. Yeah.
That's a banger of a song, man. What the hell?
Hi Wishers, this is
Hello.
Ryan and
Right, well again, that's Wayan, man, performs Si Lods na Bahala and Wish 107.5 Bus, man. And I don't know about you, pero that fucking vocal is sobrang crispy, no? Di mo makakalain na live niyang perform yun sa Wish, no? Parang official audio yung... Ang ganda talaga ng boses, ng register ng boses ni Wayan, man. But yeah, that's a... I don't know about you, man. That's a fucking banger, no? Sure, pang sound trip, no? Dagdag na naman sa playlist. But, yeah, I mean, comment down below kung gusto nyo pakinggan natin yung buong album ni Wayan, The Backshot. But yeah, I mean, without no further ado. But yeah, I mean, that's it for me today, man. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.